Perhaps this is the first time you ever had to hire a lawyer. Well, everyone knows there are good ones and there are bad ones, and the important thing is for you to find that perfect fit for you. So the first thing you need to look at is whether your attorney is going to be responsive. How quickly does he or she return your phone calls? How quickly are they able to set you up with a consultation? The key to finding a perfect divorce attorney is finding somebody that's knowledgeable and competent, somebody that's willing to do what he or she can to make sure that your case settles amicably, or if you have to go to court, someone that's going to aggressively advocate for your interests. Lastly, also, you need to make sure your attorney has a good reputation. Well, what does that mean? Well, do your research, do your due diligence. You wouldn't go to a cancer doctor, the first cancer doctor you met with. You need to really do your research. Do some digging, find out whether that attorney has any ethical issues. Look at reviews online. There are certain websites out there like Avo and others that can give you some really good insight as to whether your attorney is competent, is going to do a good job for you in your divorce case. It's also very important that you have a very good relationship with your attorney. It's important that you trust them and that you feel comfortable telling them the truth and telling them the facts about your case. That person is there to represent your interests, and he or she needs to know everything about what's going on, and you need to feel comfortable telling them that. You're going to be communicating with your lawyer quite frequently in a divorce case, so it's going to be in your best interest to make sure that you have a good connection with that person. The second thing is you need to make sure your attorney is setting realistic expectations. Certainly everyone wants to go into their attorney and have the attorney tell them that they're going to win the moon and the stars, but that's not always the case. That's not realistic. So you want to make sure your attorney is setting realistic expectations, giving you the pros and the cons of certain types of claims or positions, and is being candid with you about the likelihood of success in your case.